Now let's talk about how much is the benefit. The benefit amount is $2,400 annually or $200 monthly. This is a tax-free benefit. That means it does not affect your other income. You don't get any slips or you don't have to include that income in your tax return. This benefit is indexed. That means it will go up every year with the inflation rate. And also, if you are receiving less than $20 a month benefit, then the CRA will send you a single check with all the payments for that year. Now let's take a look at the income restriction for this CDB benefit. When CRA calculates your CDB benefit, they look at your adjusted income. This adjusted income includes all kind of income that you report to CRA. They also look at your working income to calculate this benefit. Now I will go deep a little bit between the difference between adjusted income and working income in the next slide. But basically your working income is from any type of work that you do. Remember, if you have a RDSP account, which is Registered Disability Savings Plan, any withdrawal that you do from your RDSP plan is exempt from this calculation. Now the benefit will be calculated based on the prior year's taxation, meaning that if you are submitting an application in 2025, the income amount that the CRA will use to determine your benefit will be the tax year 2024. So your payment will start from July 2025, but it will be based on the tax year 2024. And also the CDB payment will be based on whether you are a single or a couple. Now let's take a look at what is the adjusted income. So basically when CRA looks at the adjusted income, it looks at if you are receiving any payment from your provincial government. For example, I live in Ontario, so there is ODSP payment that a lot of people receive. So that goes into the adjusted income category. If you are receiving guaranteed income supplement, that will also go into the adjusted income category. If you have some other income such as investment income, this will be also included in adjusted income. Now let's take a look at what is not included in the income. So if you are receiving any Canada Child Benefit, that will be excluded in the calculation. If you are part of any injury compensation from an insurance company, that will be also excluded from adjusted income. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, make sure to check out our social media accounts. And if you have any questions or if you have any requests to make any video on, please put that request in our comment section so we can make a video on that topic in the future. See you in the next video.